Hey guys, welcome back to Basant's Kitchen. Today we're gonna do my favorite recipe. We're gonna make a biryani, but we're gonna do lamb chop biryani. We're not gonna follow the traditional way of cooking the lamb chops in the pot. I'm gonna show you how to make a mild marinade, and we're gonna charcoal the lamb chops, and then we're gonna make the masala and the rice, and we're gonna put it all together and make a grilled lamb chop biryani. You have the biryani factor in it, and you have the charcoal flavor coming on the lamb chops, coming together in an amazing biryani that I made only for you guys because it is Basant style. So I'm gonna go over the basic ingredients with you guys, but as usual, I'm gonna have the entire recipe for the lamb chops and the biryani in the description box. We have coriander powder, we have cumin powder, black pepper, salt, turmeric, garlic powder, red chili, bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, black cardamom pods. I'm using 5-pound center cut lamb chops. I removed the fat cap off of them so we don't have a lot of flare-ups. It's a little trick, works like a charm. I'm using 3 full glasses of extra long aged basmati rice, Royal Chef, my favorite rice. We have 6 chopped tomatoes, 5 chopped onions, 1 cup yogurt, oil, lemon juice, and garlic ginger paste. So this is it. We have all the ingredients in. Now, we're gonna make this recipe in 3 different steps. We're gonna do the lamb chops, we're gonna do the masala, we're gonna do the rice, we're gonna put it all together, put it on dum, and we're gonna have this amazing biryani that I already cannot wait to eat. So lamb needs to marinate for about an hour, hour and a half, so we're gonna start with lamb chops first. I want you to come see how beautiful the lamb chops are. We're gonna start with 1/2 cup of regular oil. Half cup of lemon juice, I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon garlic ginger paste. I like to put a little extra. We're gonna do 1 tablespoon salt, 1/2 tablespoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 1 tablespoon granulated garlic, and 1 teaspoon red chili. Give it a little zip. So you saw the simple marinade I made. We're gonna let it sit for about an hour in the refrigerator, and then we're gonna start grilling. So gently just mix it all in. Make sure lamb chops are coated really well. And this, when you grill it, is gonna give out this amazing encrusted seasoning flavor, and mix it with biryani. I usually create a lot of different kinds of biryanis because I just love doing that. And this, I'm just in love with. So lamb chops are marinated. You see how they're coated so well. So lemon juice and garlic ginger paste, what's gonna do is it's gonna start breaking them down. It's gonna tenderize it naturally. Just make sure you put it in the refrigerator for about an hour, so then it's fair game. But if you want to do it overnight, it's all good. So I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator, and then we're gonna start grilling. While the lamb chops are getting marinated, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the masala. I'm gonna put 2 cups of oil. So I have the oil really, really hot. We're gonna put the onions down. You wanna hear that sizzle. We're gonna cook the onions down. We're gonna get them nice golden brown, and then we're gonna add all the spices and wet masalas in and make a nice tight biryani masala. And we're gonna get rid of all the excess oil, and we're gonna add lamb chops. I'm gonna get started on my rice. I had the rice soaking for about 30 minutes. Make sure you get everything in because good rice is expensive. We're gonna bring it to a hard boil. So then we can put them on dum. I'm gonna add tomatoes in it. After the onions are nicely well cooked, one cup yogurt, 2 tablespoons garlic ginger paste. I'm gonna mix it in. And we're gonna cover it, and I'm gonna let it all break down till it turns into just nice tight masala. So you see, masala is almost ready. It's like 75% done. You want all of this to be broken down into a tight paste. No moisture, nothing. this is it. Masala is ready. This is exactly what I'm talking about. Nice and tight. All the oil is separated, and we're gonna get rid of all of this. This is not gonna go in our food, and we're just gonna have all this gorgeous flavor. Masala is ready. We're gonna let it sit. We're gonna move on to my favorite part. We're gonna start grilling these gorgeous lamb chops. And you see how beautifully the marinade is stuck to it? It's gonna be amazing. The grill is ready at about 400 degrees because I like it really nice and hot. We're gonna put the lamb chops down. That's exactly what you wanna hear. I like to flip them every 30 seconds or so. You see, this is exactly what you want. The beautiful grill work on them. This is it. Lamb chops are ready. And wow, look at the beautiful grill work. Lamb chops are grilled. I want to show you something. Look, this and this is how tender they are. Wow. And the flavor is off the hook. So now we're gonna do this. You see the masala, we had it ready. It's going really good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add them in. And we're gonna have the masala marry lamb chops and the juices from it. We're gonna saute them in. So the masala just gets stuck to it. You see how nice and tight it is? And all this extra oil, we're gonna get rid of it. Has no flavor value in it. Whatever we needed, we got out of it. It's just gonna go in the food now as oil, which we don't want. Guys, masala is ready. You see the beautiful grill work on the lamb chops, and masala is nice and tight. But before we get started, I am gonna get rid of this oil. I don't want this in my biryani. It did its job. Now it's just gonna be oil. Oops. We're gonna start the layering process. My favorite. Guys, lamb chop biryani is ready, and I want you to come look. The grain of rice, the beautiful grill work, it looks amazing. Now we're gonna put it on dum, and then we're gonna break the rice, and it is gonna be awesome. Wow, look at the grain of rice. How gorgeous that is. This is it, guys. Lamb chop biryani is ready and it looks gorgeous. I want you to see the beautiful grill work on them and the masala, the smell. We're serving it with a little lemon, cilantro, RAITA, and KACHUMAR. Guys, this is everything I love cooking. This is the food I love making. I hope you enjoyed this recipe because I had a great time making it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we will get you guys next time, Basant style. Time for the favorite part. I've been dying to do this. Actually, no. I'm gonna do it desi style. I'm gonna pick it up. Wow. The flavor, the grill, and the biryani off the hook. Basant style.